Thank you for joining us today as we unveil this year's Prairie Wood Design Award winners. I am Rory Koska, Director of the Alberta Wood WORKS program and the Canadian Wood Council. Today, I am honored to be showcasing the 14th annual Prairie Wood Design Award winners. We had many types of projects submitted this year, from historic restorations to brand new builds, as well as projects creating new innovative space in existing buildings. Projects utilized wood for its incredible structural capabilities, its ease of installation, its ability to warm and beautify a space, and let's not forget its unmatched sustainability. This year's award winners not only showcased ingenuity and creativity in new construction, but an affinity for wood, by not demolishing buildings, but by celebrating wood in the restoration of history through engineering and craftsmanship.
I'm Kailey Kroeker from 1x1 Architecture in Winnipeg, Manitoba, project architect for the Bayou Ranch Workhorse Barn project for Parks Canada. We submitted the Workhorse Barn to the Wood Design Awards because it celebrates the origins of wood construction. It shows the simple yet complex log work construction that was once so prevalent, the innate adaptability and repairability of the material, so visible on this 130-year-old building. Our whole project team is excited and honored to have been awarded Jury's Choice for this unique heritage rehabilitation project. Thanks.
It's an honor to be recognized by the Prairie Wood Design Awards. We're fortunate to have organizations like the Canadian Wood Council that push for excellence and promote wood construction. The Beacon Medical Centre uses innovative wood beams that taper around the perimeter of the building. This projects them onto the facade and floods the interior spaces with natural light. This project was not possible without the numerous collaborators, including the owners, developers, consultants, and construction trades. Our deepest gratitude and appreciation go towards the entire team and to the Alberta Wood WORKS. Thank you.
Thank you so much for the recognition for this award for Métis Crossings Cultural Gathering Centre in the institutional category. We are thrilled that you saw a story in our building. We really wanted to highlight historic and contemporary Métis construction methods, and wood really allowed for us to tell that story in the way that we hoped. And and it was also possible because of these great partners, which includes our client, Métis Crossing, and the advisory board, as well as Fast and Epp, our structural engineers, and of course the contractor GenMech. So thank you again for this award, and we hope that you can come see the building soon.
Through the prairies, wood continues its journey, re-emerging as not only a viable construction material for small buildings, but accelerating its way higher as the future building material of choice in larger and taller buildings. Across Canada, we have the vision, we have the experience, we have the technical know-how, and we certainly have the desire to make these projects come to life. I look forward to seeing what you, the design and construction industry, creates for us in the future. Thank you, and congratulations, everyone.